Click on the link below to get price. The 2,000 square foot dehumidifier for basements is a remarkable appliance designed to combat excess moisture, making it an essential addition for homeowners concerned about humidity-related issues. This dehumidifier is particularly effective in larger spaces, such as basements, where dampness can lead to mold growth, musty odors, and damage to stored possessions. One of the standout features of this model is its impressive moisture removal capacity. It efficiently extracts up to 50 pints of moisture per day, ensuring that your home remains comfortable and dry. The built-in hygrometer allows for precise humidity monitoring, adjusting the dehumidification process automatically based on the current moisture levels. This feature not only enhances efficiency but also prolongs the life of the unit by preventing unnecessary running time. Noise levels are often a concern with dehumidifiers, but this unit operates exceptionally quietly. It runs at a decibel level comparable to a whisper, which makes it suitable for use in living areas without disrupting daily activities. This low-noise operation is particularly beneficial for basements, where you may wish to keep the environment peaceful while maintaining optimal humidity levels. The design is user-friendly, with a straightforward control panel that includes options for continuous drainage, a fantastic feature for those who prefer not to frequently empty the water reservoir. The 1.6-gallon tank is easy to remove and clean, simplifying maintenance. Additionally, the compact and sleek design allows it to blend into any basement decor, ensuring that functionality doesn't compromise aesthetics. In terms of energy efficiency, this dehumidifier qualifies for Energy Star certification, meaning it consumes less power while delivering exceptional performance. Overall, the 2,000 square foot dehumidifier for basements stands out for its effective moisture removal, quiet operation, and user-friendly features. It's an excellent investment for anyone seeking to improve air quality and protect their home from the damaging effects of excess moisture.